tumataas rin po yung belief nila sa amin na kaya-kaya namin yun. Kasi unique yung talent namin na ipapakita dito. Hindi mawawala yung prayers na nananangin talaga kami po na makapasok kami sa final.
Bibigay na po namin yung tulong-tulong.
Parang finals na rin po yung touring namin sa semi-finals. In every way po, kung meron tayong talent, huwag tayong mahiya na ipakita ito sa buong mundo. Basta magtiwala na tayo sa sarili at sa Panginoon po, wala pong imposible na...
At ito po yung naalala po namin sa mga taong sumusuporta sa amin. Let's do some dancing together with the pride of Bacolod City Negros Occidental, Neil and Beth. Jobs in the city, working for a man every night and day, and I never lost 1 minute of sleep, 'cause I was worried about the way things might have been. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river, rolling on the louder. Say it one more time. Rolling on the river. That's a good job in the city. Working on the never lost 1 minute of sleep. Worried about the way things might have been. Say it with me, keep on burning. Neil and Beth! Wow! Oh, wow! And that one goes well! Oh my goodness! Napaka-emotional nito. That is what you call dancing! Yan ang pangarap ko nung lukoy. Wow! Grabe! Okay, sandali, bago lahat. Ito, tanong ko lang sa inyo. Nakita namin lahat ang galing nyo, walang question, pero ang balita namin, pagkatapos ng Pilipinas Got Talent, medyo magre-relax muna kayo, maglalaylo muna kayo sa pagsasayaw. Bakit naman?
Kasi po if ever po na hindi po kami makapasok sa finals po, ipo-pursue na po namin yung mga profession namin. Pero pag makapasok kami, go for our talent.
Niluluboy sa inyo.
Salamat po.
Pangarap namin niluluboy sumayaw ng ganyan together, ha?
Thank you po.
Well, why don't we go with our judges for FMG?
Your performance is simply amazing, no? The teamwork is fantastic. It's flawless. The dance step is really in sync. And it's a pleasure watching you dance.
Thank you po. Maraming salamat po.
That is how you make an entrance.
Correct.
Unforgettable yung pagpasok. Unforgettable yung paghubad sa kanya. I love it. Ang ganda talaga.
Thank you po.
At ito yun. This number is as close to perfection as we'll ever see on this stage.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Most heartful.
Ito na. Nako. Ito ang totoong pakulaw na performance.
Thank you po.
Semi-finals na performance
Bumilib ako dahil naging square ang bunganga mo. Naloka ako sa performance. Talagang mas flawless pa sa akin ang performance niya tonight. Pakulang na pakulang.
Thank you
Go!
po. Thank you po.